Hey, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your General Knowledge Virtual Classroom. So, before starting the chapter, let me once again remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video also with your classmates. So, let's start. Today we are going to study chapter number 29, Fitness Today. You can refer to page number 60 and 61 for this chapter. So as we all know that the common forms of exercises are walking, jogging, cycling and swimming, which involves a lot of physical movement. But you can see the circumstances due to this coronavirus pandemic or due to the air pollution. It is not advisable to follow our exercise routine always. We cannot follow it always. We become a little lazy. And while during this time, while we are sitting at home, while we are not coming to school also, so our physical activity or physical movement have become very limited and confined to our houses only, which is not a good thing. Physical activity, or you can say exercise, is very important for our body. It makes us fit, it makes us more productive, our productivity increases. You can see the reasons why exercise can supercharge your productivity. It keeps you alert and focused. It helps you to learn how to work through discomfort. Your body becomes more productive. Even in the tough times, exercise can help you find your optional work life balance. They can spark breakthrough ideas. It increases your brain capacity, it increases brain function, it will kick up your energy level definitely. So, these are some reasons why we should always do physical activity or exercises. So there are so many ways of staying fit and healthy that we can do in our daily life while staying inside our house only. Okay, these are so in this chapter we are going to study about some indoor exercises. First one is the yoga. In Sanskrit, the word yoga means union. It has been practiced in India from ancient times. The poses or the exercises are called asanas. You all know this. So many recent times, many forms of yoga have come up. There are some forms of yoga that we are going to study today. First form is Bikram Yoga. It is also known as hot yoga. It includes a series of 26 poses. It helps to loosen the muscle and causes a lot of sweating. It is basically done in a heated room, which so this sweating help us to flush out our toxins, harmful toxins from the body. Then next one is Hatha Yoga, which is a slow paced and it focuses totally on your breathing and meditation power. It is said to relieve the stress level and it improve your conditions of lungs also. So it is very beneficial to do Hatha Yoga. Next one is Ashtanga, or it is also known as Power Yoga. It helps in weight loss. It is meant for advanced students who desire to maintain their strength and stamina. It also focuses on losing of weight. Okay, it is a powerful yoga which is done at a speed, and very hard steps are there, poses are there, asanas, you can say, those are to be performed in this Ashtanga or Power Yoga. Then there is restorative yoga, or which allows the muscles to relax. Okay, it helps you to relax. You can lie on a block or blankets, and you can use yoga bolsters also. So this yoga pose or this yoga asana helps to release your stress. Next one is Vinyasa Yoga, which is a very physically active form of yoga. It focuses on coordination of breath and movement. It reduces risk of many diseases like blood pressure, type 2 diabetes. So this is a very good yoga pose or asana. So these were some yoga poses, but these yoga poses sometimes become a little monotonous, little boring. So next activity that we can do is Zumba. Zumba is a combination of dance and exercise. It is a fun way to keep you fit. It helps in burning calories, it builds strength and stamina. It also helps us to detox ourselves. So there are many different forms of Zumba that is done. First one is Zumba step, which is similar to aerobic step exercises. It helps to tone your back and leg muscles. Then there is Zumba toning, which is a body sculpting workout done with very lightweight toning sticks. You can see these lightweight sticks that they are holding. With this Zumba toning exercise is done. It is very popular among older generation. Then there is Aqua Zumba, which is done in swimming pool. It is very popular among younger generation and older people also because it helps you to gives you relief from your joint pain, arthritis. So it is very popular, your Zumba form. Next one is Zumba Sentao. A chair is used while exercising in this Zumba form. When you are moving, a chair is also, you are moving that chair also with you. Form of exercise is pilate. Pilates is an exercise routine that focuses on muscle control and helps to increase our flexibility, muscle strength, endurance, balance. So, especially in our lungs, abdominal area, arms, hips, and back. Another form of exercise is exerjamming. Exerjamming, there are two words, exercising and you are playing games also. So it is a term which is used for video games that require physical activity. Means you are moving and that games also move. That game functions depending upon your physical movement. So, these were some physical exercises which we can do while sitting in our homes, while staying inside our homes. Physical education, physical movement of body is very important. That is why, in schools also, we have started organizing your physical education classes because it keeps you active throughout the day and it have a lot of benefits also. Now, so from now onwards, take a pledge that you all also will be more physically active. You all will do physical exercises. So thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself. Stay fit, stay healthy.